Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. So for those who are just new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, like, and you can also share our videos. So today we are going to make use of my acrylic yarn and a bigger crochet hook, my 4.5, for us to have a more visual look on the stitch that we're going to do. So make your slip knot, and we are going to make a single crochet foundation chain. So instead of doing chains and then going back and make your single crochet foundation chain, this is how we normally do, right? We make a certain number of chains and then we go back on the second chain from the hook and we make our single crochet until the very last chain. So instead of doing this, we are going to make our single crochet foundation chain, or foundation chain single crochet. So you have made your slip knot. We are going to make 2 chains. We're going to make use of the first chain that we did, taking both loops, yarn over. So you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through only on 1 loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. And if you're going to turn your work sideways, you can see this V, and we're going to make use of that later on. So we're going to insert our hook on both of those loops, yarn over. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So again, when you turn the work on the side, you can see again this inverted V. This one, this is inverted V here. That's the stitch where we are going to insert our hook for the next single crochet foundation chain. And we're going to take both of the loops, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through both of the loops on our hook. Again, insert on both loops, yarn over, pull through 1 loop. We have 2 loops on the hook and finish it off. And we have our single crochet foundation chain. So we just have to continue depending on how many single crochet foundation chains you need. So again, insert your hook, yarn over. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over only on the first loop. Again, you have 2 loops on your hook, and we're going to pull through on both loops. So you can just turn your work a little bit so you can see where you will insert your hook, taking both loops. You'll be having only 2 loops on your hook on the first and the second one. This is the first one, and we're going to yarn over on the first loop only. Again, yarn over and pull through on both loops. So now we can see it is getting longer. It can save you time on doing this, but for the beginners you have to make practice. Anyway, even those who are on the intermediate side, once you have a new stitch to learn, of course you have to practice. Again, turn your work on a little bit on the side, insert your hook taking both loops. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through on the first loop only, yarn over again and take both loops. What you need to practice here is not the stitching, it's your tension. If you're a tight crocheter, you see I'm not putting any tension on my stitches. It is the tension that you need to practice more. So this is how it looks for our foundation chain single crochet. This will be the back side. So let's say you're done. So this is the number of foundation chain that you need. So you will just turn your work and make your single crochet on the first chain. Given that this is the number of chains that you require for your project. So this will be our second row. Nice finish at the bottom. So thank you so much again for joining me today. I hope you learned a thing or two. Happy crocheting, everyone. Again, please don't forget to like and share and subscribe so that you will be notified once I have a new video.